I think right now what's running is the water heater. My son's giving the dog a bath, so that's where the power is going. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the plasma on, do a test cut. Anyway, okay, don't turn on the water anymore. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta clean this thing up. I got this machine in, mill, and it's heavy like a mother. I gotta put that together. So, gotta get that on top of there, put the other master controller on there. So let me go ahead and turn on the breakers on this thing. Okay, so everything's good, 65. And I'm pretty much ready to cut. It's gonna be a plate like that one. That was a test. This is gonna be like a test too, but anyway, let's see what happens. Let me shut that off so I can talk. So yeah, it's taken me a couple of weeks or so because this thing came with the Proma, and I'm used to the Masso, so I bypassed all that. For now, I just wire it up like that. Got everything coming out on this side, so I'll just clean it up, put the cover back on, and it should be good to go. I do gotta get a fan. Like I forget his name now. He was telling me to get a fan, and he's right, because man, this dust is gonna get everywhere. Turn this garage black. So yeah, I've had to change out all the sensors, because the ones that it had, you would have to actually touch it for it to light up. And I had a problem with bending these things a little bit. So yeah, I changed all 3 of them, soldered them. Matter of fact, I just finished doing that this morning. Did this one, and where's the other one? This is for the X, yeah. The other, here we go. The other one's over here. So you can see I cut out the old ones that were there. So yeah, I've been out here for quite a while, trying to get this going. So now I gotta do this one. I gotta put in all the where the heck is it at? All the lead screws. So it's gonna be CNC also. So here all the lead screws and everything I'm gonna need. And I've got the stepper motors from the old table. I'll probably use that. Not sure yet. And rewire everything for this. So that'll probably go on that side over there, since I have the power close by right here. And then I guess I gotta move stuff around and probably get a small shed, aluminum or a metal shed, so I can start putting some of the stuff out there, because I can't fit it all. Once I move the shed, I can't fit all this stuff in the garage, or I can't leave it outside. So anyway, yeah, pretty much getting to the point where I can start doing some work. All right, well, thanks for watching. So finished covering this up a little bit, and here's the transfer switch that I'm using. So basically took out all the breakers from here and put them into this box. There's only one breaker that's going to go into to feed one of the inverters to charge the batteries up in case there's a few rainy days. But for now, I'm not even using it. I'm not even wired to it. So there's the panel that I put in. All 3 breakers are from each inverter combined over here, coming out to that 200 amp breaker. Yeah, so these things, they're running smooth. They're running real good. Yeah, I've had loads of so far that I've seen with the dryer, the washer, and my son using the microwave or the stove. I seen somewhere up close to 10 kilowatt or somewhere around there, 9 something. And yeah, no hiccup. Everything is running better than what I expected, actually. So yeah, I'm pretty much done here. Now the thing is going to be, I wanted to put the turbine somewhere in this area so it wouldn't shade the panels. So that's going to be another task, because I'm sure I got to get permitted for all that. And all these plants here are dying. This one thing, when I was working out here, I kicked it over. Where am I at? Yeah, and it started throwing water all over here, and for some reason I didn't level this right, so the water would just sit here. I mean, this has been here for like, I don't know, 3 days now, and it got frozen over a couple days ago. So I went out and got another one, and I've been doing quite a bit, even plumbing over here. Faucet went out. I don't know how well you can see that. And I was up like at 1:30 in the morning, taking that one out, putting the other one in. Yeah, it's I'm jumping from one thing to another. Anyway, thanks for watching.